Hello, this is Wilson. In this video, we are going to look at 3 free add-ins in Excel. Excel on its own has a lot of formulas, functions and charting features, but sometimes we may require some special functionalities. That is what the Excel add-ins can help us. So go to Insert and under Get Add-ins, you will find a lot of add-ins which you can use it in Excel. Some add-ins are free, but some of them we have to pay. In this video, we are going to see 3 free add-ins. The first one what we are going to see is the web player. Say if you are preparing some manual or some other document and you want to give a YouTube link for that. Suppose this is the pivot table video in YouTube and this is a part 2 of the same video series. I can give like this. So this is a topic name and this is the YouTube link. When I click on this, it is going to open this in a different web browser and it is going to play here. Instead, if I want to play within this Excel itself, so I can add a web player here. Go to Get Add-ins and search for web video player. So you will get it here. Click on add and continue. This will be placed here and you can resize to whichever size you want to. And here you can paste the link, whichever link. I will copy from here and paste it. I'll say set video. So this is going to play the video within this Excel itself. Suppose if I click here, so this is going to play inside the Excel so that user need not to go to the browser and come back to Excel to see the next video. Hello and welcome back. As all we know, pivot table is one of the top. Again, if I want to add for the second topic, no need to go to Get Add-ins again. So if you go here, My Add-ins, you will see here, whichever we added before, this will be available. So click on Web Video Player and again paste this link as well. Set video. So again this will play in a different video player. I can resize to fit the space here. So I can play and welcome back. This is the second video in the series here or here. This one I can play here. So this is how you can use the web video player to play the YouTube video within Excel itself. So this is quite useful when you are preparing the manual or some instruction sheet. Now we will see one more add-in, that is a QR code. Suppose if I want to generate a QR code for my website or some other maybe some address, so I'll go to Get Add-ins and I'll search for QR code. Search here. So you'll get QR for Office and again this is free. I'll add it. So you are getting it here. So I will type my website with datamagic.com and click on Insert. So this I can resize to whatever size I want to. And if I want say Wilson and click Insert, so this is going to insert. You can resize to the whatever size you want to. This can be scanned using your mobile device or some QR reader. So next add-in is the people's graph. Suppose if you have a list like this, you have a department and this is the employees. Suppose you have a list like this. This is a department and this is the number of employees. Finance has 10, purchase 5, like that. Suppose if I want to show this using graph and also it should represent the people or the employees. So I can get one more add-in, go to Get Add-ins and here I'll search for the people's graph. So I'll search for people. So I'll get people graph. So I'll continue and click in this data and select your data. So I can select this data and click create. So this is going to display. So finance has 10, purchase 5 and IT is 23. Maybe I'll make it maybe a little smaller. So 14 and this would be say 7. So suppose if I add one more marketing here and say 13. So this is not adding because the range what we selected is only up to sales. To get rid of this problem, what we can do is we'll select this and press Ctrl T to convert this data as table. So press Ctrl T and convert to table. Click OK here. And now I will choose the data. Go here. Select your data. Here I'll select the table and click create. So now you have finance, purchase, IT, sales, marketing. Tomorrow if I add one more department here, say HR, and its count is say maybe 16. So I'll get it automatically here. That is because this is the table and all the data within this table will get included automatically. And also you can change this color or theme to different one. Go to the settings. Here by default this is coming. You can change it to this or the theme also you can change it to maybe pink or whatever color you want. And the shape also you can change it, maybe the linear one here, this one. And not just the people or person, you can use this for the even for different purpose also. Maybe this is a 10 star, 5 star, for rating also you can use it, or maybe for money. So maybe dollars you are representing here. So even the animal, bird or whatever. So different shapes you can add it, change the theme or type. So these all add-ins are free. There are many more add-ins. If you go to insert and go to get add-ins, so these are many listed here. So whichever you like it or if you whichever you want it, you can use it from here. There are calendars, there are Microsoft Flow, Visio, Data Visualizer, and there are something you can filter it with different categories. Under CRM there are something, under data analytics you have some other add-ins. So whichever you want you can add it. So whichever you are adding you can find it under my add-ins. So we added 3 add-ins here. All 3 are available here. Whenever you want to remove it, just right click here and remove from the list so that it won't be available here. But you can still see the graph here. So only thing is you can't add it again. So you can again go to get add-ins and add the add-ins. Hope this video is useful to you. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive more videos on Excel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.